Hello, my friend. Welcome back. I am Jessica. This is your English speaking time. No stress, no pressure. You don't need perfect English. You just need practice. In this video, I will speak slowly. You will repeat after me. If you miss a sentence, that is okay. Just continue. Let's begin together. Thinking in English. Listen carefully. Repeat slowly. I am here to practice English. I am sitting comfortably. I am listening carefully. I am breathing slowly. I feel calm and relaxed. I am ready to speak English. English sounds friendly to me. I enjoy listening to English. Very good. Let's continue. Daily life visualization. Now imagine your day. Speak with me. I wake up in the morning. I look at the clock. I stretch my body. I feel fresh and happy. I make my bed. I drink a cup of tea or coffee. I open my phone and practice English. I smile and feel confident. Great job. Soft conversation. Now, listen and repeat. Hello, are you comfortable? Yes, I am comfortable. Are you ready to practice English? Yes, I am ready. Do you practice English every day? I try my best every day. That is enough. Small steps are powerful. Excellent. Keep going. Real-world speaking. Speak naturally. I can understand simple English. I can answer simple questions. I can talk about my day. I can talk about my feelings. I feel more confident than before. My English is improving slowly. Slow progress is still progress. Wonderful, long, shadowing sentences. Now, repeat smoothly. I am learning English at my own pace. I do not compare myself with others. I focus on my improvement. Every day, my English becomes better. I trust the learning process. Very good motivation and belief. Say it from your heart. I believe I can speak English. I believe in my ability to learn. I am proud of myself today. I show up every day. I am building confidence step by step. English is becoming natural for me. Amazing. And this is not stop English speaking that you only need to understand this. Okay, just relaxed and listen English. Right now, you are doing something good for yourself. You are giving time to your learning. You are choosing to improve your English step by step. That is something to be proud of. As you listen to my voice, try to relax your body and your mind. Sit comfortably and breathe naturally. Let the English words flow into your ears. You do not need to understand every word. You only need to stay with the sound of English. I am here to practice English. I am sitting comfortably and listening carefully. I feel calm and relaxed. My mind is open and ready to learn. English feels friendly and familiar to me. I enjoy listening to English and spending time with it. When I practice English, I feel confident and positive. I remind myself that learning takes time. There is no hurry, and there is no competition. Everyone learns in their own way and at their own speed. My journey is unique and valuable. Now I imagine my day as I speak in English. I wake up in the morning and start my day peacefully. I look at the clock and feel ready for a new day. I stretch my body and take a deep breath. I feel fresh, relaxed, and focused. I make my bed and prepare myself for the day. I drink a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy the moment. I take my phone and open an English video. I listen carefully and let the words come naturally. I smile because I know I am improving. English is becoming part of my daily routine. I hear English in the morning and in the evening. I hear it while resting and while working. The more I listen, the more comfortable I feel. Sometimes I speak English slowly and sometimes I stop for a moment. That is completely okay. I continue again without fear. Every time I speak, my confidence grows a little more. Now I imagine a simple conversation in my mind. I greet someone politely and ask how they are. I listen to the answer calmly. I respond with simple and clear English. I do not rush my words. I let my sentences come out naturally. I practice English every day in small ways. I think in English when I walk or sit quietly. I talk to myself in English without pressure. This helps my brain feel comfortable with the language. I can understand simple English more easily now. I can answer basic questions with confidence. I can talk about my day and my feelings. I can express simple thoughts clearly. Each day, my English becomes a little better. Even slow improvement is real improvement. I remind myself that progress is happening, even if I cannot see it immediately. I am learning English at my own pace. I do not compare myself with other people. I focus on my own growth and my own effort. Every small step is important. Learning English is not stressful for me. It is a calm and positive experience. I trust the learning process. I trust myself and my ability to learn. I believe that I can speak English clearly. I believe that my confidence is growing. I am proud of myself for practicing today. Showing up is already a success. As I continue speaking, my thoughts feel more natural in English. I do not translate every word in my head. I allow the language to flow freely. I enjoy the rhythm and sound of English. English is opening new doors for me. It helps me connect with people and ideas. It gives me new opportunities and confidence. I feel motivated to continue learning every day. Even when I feel tired or busy, I remind myself why I started. I started because I want to grow. I started because I believe in myself. I started because my future is important to me. Now, as this practice continues, I feel calm and focused. I feel proud of the effort I am making right now. Every minute of practice is helping me move forward. I will continue listening to English. I will continue speaking English. I will continue improving step by step. I am patient with myself. I am kind to myself. I trust my journey. English is becoming more natural for me every day. And I know that if I keep practicing like this, my English will continue to grow, slowly, calmly, and confidently. I am practicing English calmly and confidently because I know that learning a language takes time and patience. I am not in a hurry, and I am not afraid of making mistakes, because mistakes are part of learning. When I listen to English every day, my brain slowly understands the sounds, the words, and the rhythm of the language. I remind myself that fluency does not come in one day, but it comes from daily practice, even if the practice is small. Every time I listen and repeat, I become a little better than yesterday. I do not compare my English with others because everyone learns at a different speed, and my journey is my own journey. When I speak English, I focus on being clear, not perfect. I try to relax my mouth, my tongue, and my mind. I take a slow breath, and I let the words come out naturally. Sometimes I stop, sometimes I repeat, and sometimes I forget a word, but that is completely okay. What matters is that I continue speaking. English is becoming a part of my daily life. I hear English in videos, in songs, and in conversations, and slowly it feels more familiar. The more I listen, the more comfortable I feel, and the more confident I become. Confidence grows when I show up every day and practice, even when I feel tired or busy. I remind myself that I am learning English for a better future, for better communication, and for more opportunities in life. Every minute I spend practicing English is an investment in myself. I feel proud that I am taking this step, and I trust that my effort will bring results. As I continue speaking, I notice that my sentences become smoother and my thoughts flow more easily. I do not translate every word in my head anymore. I allow English to come naturally, and I enjoy the process of learning. I know that if I keep practicing like this, my English will continue to improve day by day.